Continue with the second question, children. Simplify x minus 2y plus 3 whole square plus x plus 2y minus 3 whole square. Now here see children, it is same like simplify what we have done in the previous exercise in case of the cube formula 1. Here what we had done, we have taken the first term and we have expanded separately, second term expanded separately, and then we have brought the terms expansion values together and we have solved. So same procedure we can follow here also, or else if you want you can solve by the second method. Both the expansion you can do at one time, so that method also is applicable. So whichever you feel easy you can go ahead with that. Now here I am doing that last time what method I have done, one term I'll be taking. So here x minus 2y plus 3 whole square. Okay, now here a is x, okay, a is x, your b is, so now since you have first term directly also you can write, so this is equal to x square, or you want a is equal to x, b is equal to minus 2y and c is equal to 3. So x square plus minus 2y whole square plus 3 square plus 2ab, that means x into b minus 2y plus 2bc minus 2y into 3 plus 2ac, a is x and c is 3. So this is equal to x square plus minus 2 square becomes 4y square plus 9. Now plus minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4xy, again plus minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12y plus 6x. So this is your first expansion. This is your first expansion. Now let us take the second term. This is your first expansion, okay, now of this term. Now let us start with the second term, that is x, you can write here first and then number 2, x plus 2y minus 3 whole square. So here your a is equal to x, b is equal to 2y and c is equal to minus 3. Okay, now let us do the expansion. So this is equal to x square plus, that is 2y whole square plus minus 3 square plus 2 into a, x into b, that is 2y plus 2bc, that is 2y into minus 3 plus 2ca or ac, so x into minus 3. So this is equal to x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 2 2s are 4xy minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12y minus 2 3s are 6, 6x. So this is the second one, expansion. Now see children, therefore what is the question? X minus 2y plus 3 whole square plus x plus 2y. So first term plus, so we are writing the expansion of the first term, that is x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x in one bracket. After the first it is plus, so plus the whole second term, that is x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy, we are not closing the bracket, minus 12y minus 6x. okay, so we have substituted the values, expansion values. Now let us remove the bracket. It becomes x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x. Now see children, there is a plus sign before the second bracket, so now there will be no change in the sign of the interior terms, so it will be as it is, plus x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. okay, now let us cancel the terms. Okay, now see here, plus 6x minus 6x, okay, minus 4xy plus 4xy, then any other term is getting cancelled, x square plus 4y square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 12y minus 12y. So no other term is getting cancelled. So what is remaining is x square plus x square. Okay, so we'll write x square plus 4y square plus 4y square plus 4y square. Okay, minus 12y and plus 9 plus 9. Okay, these are the terms, remaining term 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 terms. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 terms. So this becomes, children, x square plus x square 2x square, 4y square plus 4y square 8y square, minus 12y minus 24y plus 9 plus 18. So see children, this way you will be doing the simplify. Important step is you are substituting the values properly in the formula. First you expand first term, then go for the second term, then both the terms you are writing as per the given question. Okay, and then you will open the bracket, remove the terms which are going to be, you will see terms with opposite sign will get cancelled, and whatever terms are remaining, that you will be writing, and then you are getting the final answer 2x square plus 8y square minus 24y plus 18. Now let's do with second question, children. 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m the whole square. Okay, so let us check the question is correct. Okay, question, okay, fine. Now here important thing you have to remember that between both the bracket here there is a minus sign, so that we have to keep okay, care of that minus sign. Now let us start with the first term, that is 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square. Now here your a is equal to 3k, b is equal to minus 4r and c is equal to minus 2m. Clear? Now let us start a square, so it will be 3k whole square plus minus 4r whole square plus minus 2m whole square plus 2ab, that is 3k into b is minus 4r plus 2bc, that is minus 4r into minus 2m plus 2ac, that is 3k into minus 2m. Now this is equal to 3 square. See children, 3 square becomes 9k square plus again minus 4 it becomes 16r square plus 4m square. Now here one minus sign is there, so it minus. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24kr. Again here two terms are having minus becomes plus, so it will be plus 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 rm, and here last term again single minus sign, so plus minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so 12km. This is the first expansion. Clear? This is your first expansion of the term. Now let us take the second term, that is 3k plus 4r minus 2m. Now see children, since the terms are same, your values will be coming same, but only difference will be there in the sign. So this is equal to, again here a is 3k, b is equal to 4r and c is equal to minus 2m. C is equal to minus 2m. Now let us start a square, so it is 3k whole square plus b, that is 4r square plus minus 2m whole square plus 2a, that is 3k into b, that is 4r plus 2bc, that is 4r into minus 2m plus 2ac, that is 3k into minus 2m. So this is equal to 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 plus 24kr. Since there is single minus sign, so 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16 rm and minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So it is 12 km. Now this is your second expansion. Okay, second term expansion. Now as per the question, children, expansion of the first term minus the expansion of the second term. So let us write what is the first term. This is equal to 9k square plus 16 bracket plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm minus 12 km. This bracket will not come, children. Okay, now minus sign. Okay, first term we have written, now minus the second term. So we will start from here. I am writing it from here. That is 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square plus 24kr minus 16rm minus 12 km. Closing the second bracket. Now see, children, there is less space, so I am writing in the second line. You can write in a straight line. Okay, so now let us remove the terms from the bracket. This is equal to 9k square. This is equal to 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm minus 12 km. Now see, children, there is minus sign here before the second bracket. So all the terms inside the second bracket, their sign will be changed. So it will be now minus nk square minus 16r square minus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm plus 12 km. So minus terms becomes positive. Now terms with opposite sign, 9k square plus 9 square minus plus 16r square minus 16r square plus 4m square minus 4m square. Now anything else is going to cancel. Minus 24kr, here also minus 24kr plus 16rm plus 16 minus 12 km plus 12. So this will get cancelled, right? Now let us see what terms are remaining. So this is equal to minus 24kr, okay, and one more minus 24kr. Together we are writing plus 16rm plus 16rm. Anything else is remaining? Check. Now so this is equal to minus 24 will become minus 48. Okay, minus 48 kr or rm you can write, and plus 16 plus 16 32 rm. Okay, so you can write, if you want, you can arrange and write 32 rm minus 48 kr. If you do till this step also, it is correct. If you don't arrange the last step, then also it is correct. So I hope you have understood. You have to practice, children. Copy the steps properly. You can repeat the video and see for better understanding. Okay. Now one last sum is remaining that you will be solving as a homework in the homework book, and some more sums I will be sending to solve in the homework book for the practice. So with this we have completed 4th chapter. Okay, so practice properly, do the homework. Thank you for watching.